Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to Nail Art Madness. Today I'm going to be doing a polish swatch of the Elite99 Chameleon Gel Polish 5714. The tag on the polish says that it's supposed to be a pink and purple temperature change polish. The main color in the bottle is a very deep purple color. The formula is ultra thick, as you can see here. The polish doesn't drip from the brush once overfilled, so please be aware before you start your swatch that any polish you pull from the bottle will fill that brush. Speaking of the brush, you can see it is small but thick and looks to be very flexible and maneuverable around your nail. I have never had an issue with the Elite99 nail brushes. They always work very well. So I don't think that this brush will give me any inconvenience either. So because this is a gel polish, I need to use a UV or LED light to harden or cure the polish. I accidentally ran over my UV lamp cord with the vacuum cleaner about a week or so ago, and while I'm waiting on my new one to get here, I have to use my LED flashlight, which is not a problem. It works terrific, a little overboard actually. Mine burns just a little hot, so if you're interested in purchasing one or you already have one, please beware that mine does burn hot. I'm not sure if all of them do, but mine definitely does. If you're interested in purchasing anything you see in this video, all the links will be in the description box. Also, the blogger is back up from maintenance, so you can also go to the blogger, which also will be in the description box. That will give you all the links and descriptions and customer reviews and where you can purchase these items from. So if you want to, you can check that out. My LED light takes 3 AAA batteries, and it's really easy to put them in and work with. And my cure time for the thin layers is about 30 seconds. For the gel polish swatch, I always start a little above the cuticle area because the polish will expand just a little bit during curing. For the first layer, I only need to cure for about 30 seconds, depending upon what type of lamp, how hot your lamps are. You may need to cure longer or less. So be sure to play with your lamps to see how long you need to cure for. Then I'm going to work the gel into the nail. You want a nice, thin, smooth, and even layer, and I'm going to remove any extra polish off the nail. Now there will be a sticky, tacky layer once you get done curing. I leave it there unless I'm finished with the swatch. It will not bother anything. I just go ahead and add my second layer. Now for the Chameleon gel polish to really work well and for you to really see the effects of the color change, I need to add about 3 coats of the gel polish. So I'm going to go ahead and do that really quick, and I will be right back. If you get any gel polish on your skin, you want to remove that before you cure. If not, you're going to have to remove it by filing or clipping it away. So it's just easier to remove that before you cure. Once all of my layers are complete and I'm ready to remove that tacky layer off of my nail, you can use cleanser or regular rubbing alcohol. I'm using the rubbing alcohol and a cotton swab, and I'm just going to rub that alcohol around my nail to remove that tacky layer. Now I'm going to finish the rest of my nails, and then I'll come back and show you the color change between the temperature gel polish. For the top coat, you can use anything that you want. I ran out of my gel-based top coat, so I'm actually using the Broadway Nails Gel Strong top coat. It works just as well. So I've taken the camera off the tripod, so it might be a little shaky, so I'm sorry about that. But I'm starting off by putting my nails in cold water, and almost instantly you can start to see the color change to a deep, dark purple color. When I change into the warm water, instantly you get a color change to a light pink with a hint of purple in it. When you're not playing in warm and cold water, the color change isn't that obvious. The main color that you get on your nails is sort of a dark purple with a hint of pink to it. If you are in a cold room or an air-conditioned room or it's cold outside, your nails will react to that and turn into a darker purple. If you're in a warm room or if it's warm outside, your nails will react to that as well and change into a lighter pink purple color. Another thing that I would like to mention is the UV gloves. Although I'm not using them in this video, I have used them in the other gel polish tutorial videos that I've done. I highly recommend them if you're interested in purchasing them. Again, you can find the links in the description box and in the blogger. That is it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed. I know it ran a little bit longer than normal. Don't forget to hit your bell for notifications when I upload new content, and I will let y'all view some more of the cold versus the warm water temperature changes here. And I will see y'all guys next Saturday. Bye guys.